Hello everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. It's looking very great and nice, and also I use it for my presentations. Okay, let's start. At first we need to add a new slide. In our new slide we need to create the shape. You see these shapes. How we can create them? We have two ways. One way I like is to use this shape. Some of you may think it's wrong, but after rotating it and increase it in size, now put it here, increase in size, a little adjustment. Now reducing it, your shape is ready, you see? And we just, after that, set the shape outline to none, format the object. Here in the shape, this may not appear. We are going to use the top and we are going to increase the size a little. Okay, let's use this indicator. Okay, it's good. And we are making it blue. Now 1, 2, 3. Let's look what we created. Okay, the effect is great. Now we select all four of them and we need to color. We format the background and set the background color to this color and color everything to the order. Okay. This order we are going to use this color and the last color. Okay, you see the two colors are the same. This color is the best. Okay, now the text is just a simple text that I use Impact for the font. Impact is one of the installed font. After that we go here and apply the background to all. You just simply bring this up, bring this top, reduce its size, copy the text, paste it here, bring it up, then select the Japan and these two shapes and bring them to front, copy that, done the job. Now we need to make it black. Copy this text, paste it here, select these two things, bring them to front, copy that, copy text, bring this to front, paste the text, recolor the text, select all the shapes, set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.